You get any, bud? Oh!
Oh! I got one!
What?
Yeah!
No way!
No way! It almost hit me! It flew in between here!
I saw that! Where did he go? Did he fly away?
Nope, I see it.
Where? Did it land?
It just bogged down.
Where'd it land?
There she landed! Yes! 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 That was so cool! Mom, this
What?
close. The wing.
You winged him? Where did it go?
I know.
How do you not sink in the poop? You can't, don't jump with that gun. You lay it down on the top, facing the other way, so it's not facing me. That.
It's over here, Mom. It's over here.
What the heck?
I'm gonna kill one. It's over here.
I don't believe ya.
There it is.
I don't believe ya.
What?
I don't believe ya.
Is that taken?
Well, you can. He's probably dead. No use throwing more lead at him. Well, he's probably so wounded he can't do anything. You walk up to it. You walk up to it and wring his neck. Nice dusky, Mick. Go wring his neck, dude.
Should I just shoot him?
No, go walk up to him and wring his neck. Grab him.
No, you.
You could shoot him in the head.
What?
Shoot him in the head.
Okay, I'm gonna back up.
What? No, you don't do that, Liz. You'll miss.
I don't wanna. Are you sure in the head?
You shoot him in the head. Do what does Dad do? Beak shots.
What?
How does Dad shoot? Only in the beak?
No, he does headshot.
Oh, okay. Do the headshot. Show him how it's done.
Rip his head off.
Yeah, rip his head off. Take him out of his misery. Well, I think you done did it. What do you think, dude?
That was. I never knew I would get one.
That's awesome. Good job. I wish I would have videoed the shootout.
Did you see when it came that?
Yes, it like smacked me in the head.
It almost hit me,
I know.
and I thought it was just being dumb. It almost hit me. I was like this, trying to get one, and when I said boom.
Nice. Okay, find your wad.
Yes, that was. I think it's somewhere past here. Oh, I got it.
The neck shot.